towards my new video, which is about what are the steps to create and use the custom banners in Minecraft 1.19. The first step is craft loom block. The next, to create a custom banner, you first need to craft a block called loom. Without it, you can only craft solid. The block is quite simple to craft as it requires two strings and two wooden planks. The interface can be quite confusing if you are new since it has loads of slots and boxes. Any die must be placed beside it to unlock all the patterns that can be applied to it. The second is use the regular patterns in the loom block. Once you insert both banners and dies in the loom block, several design options will appear. The white portion of each design will determine where the die will be applied. After a pattern is applied to the banner, you can insert it in the loom block again and die it. The combination of patterns on a single banner can create a unique look. The third is use banner patterns. Here, banner patterns are items that can be used to customize banners even more. They add more detailed designs. There are a total of 8 banner patterns, 2 of them being exclusive to Bedrock Edition. 6 of them can be crafted with paper and any other one of these items. The other 2 can only be obtained by a cartographer or in Boston Diamond chest loot.